Welcome, Claude, finally. We were really waiting for you. Miss na miss namin si Claude. Mamimiss namin, syempre, siya ang mag-entertain sa lahat ng tao. And we also, we're very thankful for Francis Ong, who, over conversation, we thought of maybe let's come up with an exhibit on Santorini. It's January, no, and we really want to have a light, but it's something hopeful, have hopeful for the year. This year will be quite challenging. It will be very fast. It will be a very speedy, operation for HCCA. And we only like, hopefully, we begin on the right foot. We hope to establish the right network by this time, and what better way but to bring in blessings from the Holy Child. Every Wednesday we will have a small mass here, and even the priest from the cathedral said, "Wow, the Holy Child is here. He is visiting you." So sabi niya, that's iba yun, no? For something to begin your year with. At the same time, somebody will be moving into this house, from the Holy Child and something else. And I was also overwhelmed, by the generosity of our collectors. Not only generosity, but the quality of their collection. I was really floored. Sabi ko, ano ba ito? Kaya pala walang natira sa simbahan. But if you are into, iconography, if you are into Santos, analysis, the scholarship, this is a very, very big opportunity for those who are studying, the Santorini. Because not only the makeup, the configuration, the expression, I think this is one of the best that I've seen, come across, because it's really very select. So, for all our dear friends who are here, thank you so much for joining us. It's a very small, intimate exhibit. I was telling Francis and Claude, maliit lang to ha, kahit tatlo lang ang pupunta. No? Kaya ang food ko good for 5. Tama na yan. Claude, bahala ka magluto dyan. No? But it's nice because this is family. No? We're here, NCCA. I'm so happy that Jeremy is here and Alden is here. And we're still looking at all the other areas where we could interface. And of course, Heritage Conservation Society. We're already preparing a book for someone else, not for you, for someone else. No. But we're so happy that all of you are here. My colleagues are here. NCCA is Friday. We had another activity at the Metropolitan about competency framework. This afternoon, we're here for the Santo Niño. No. We'd also like to request for some of our collectors, if you can afford a little time, because we're doing culture reels. We're doing reels, snippets on culture, and the last one was Zhao Chua on the Nazareno, and little narratives just to inform, the public, little aspects of the collection. So this time for the Santorini. So we really appreciate that, because we'd like it to run, for the next 2 to 3 weeks, all these reels in the social media. So, yun lang po. And I hope we'll be able to hear some messages also from our 2 lead collectors. And after this, everybody will have a chance really to enjoy the collection. Of course, most of us will be drooling and salivating, because of this beautiful collection and the artworks of Claude, for